Referred to as D23, the existing generation also generated a Mercedes-branded double-dubbed X-Class. Poor sales led to the Merc's death, which should not come as a surprise. In addition to the high starting cost and shoddy indoor plastic trim, the X was, somehow or an additional, never offered stateside. Also, the Navara battled, with sales contracting so much in the European Union and UK that Nissan determined to terminate this other. The Nissan electric motor Iberica plant in Spain generated the final instance of the type in late 2021, and the Navara soldiers on in markets such as Mexico, Argentina, and China. Nissan is a huge automaker with plenty of cash money to its name. However, instead of establishing a brand new and much improved Navara, the Japanese firm will certainly save money in the most obvious of methods. With Nissan calling the shots at Mitsubishi, one can picture an L200/Triton with Nissan styling hints. Pixel musician Theodol went also more by providing the next generation Navara with L200/Triton bases and the Interstar's headlights. Upgraded for 2024, the Interstar additionally occurs to be a badge-engineered product, for it shares its diesel and electric powertrains with the Renault Master. A few years ago, former Nissan president Carlos Ghosn made it clear that Mitsubishi's next-generation midsizer would certainly share its system with the Navara. The sixth-generation L200/Triton turned out in July 2023 in 3 body designs, with production managed by the Mitsubishi Motors Thailand assembly plant. Pertaining to the 4th-generation Navara, we're anticipating its debut in the second half of 2024 for the 2025 model year. Word on the street is that hybridized powertrains might be in the offing, consisting of a PHEV a la the Ford Ranger PHEV. Not meant for the USA market, the plug-in hybrid truck features the 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-pot and assures an electrical series of 45 kilometers, 28 miles.